Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. The path environment variable plays a crucial role in determining where the operating system looks for executable files. When working with a custom Python environment in Visual Studio, it's essential to configure the path variable correctly to ensure that the Python interpreter and associated tools are easily accessible. This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up a custom Python environment and configuring the path variable in Visual Studio. Before setting up a custom environment, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, Python Downloads. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where you want to create your project. Run the following commands to create and activate a virtual environment. With the virtual environment activated, install the necessary packages for your project using pip. Replace package 1 and package 2 with the actual names of the packages your project requires. Open Visual Studio and create a new Python project. Choose the Python application template or any other template that suits your needs. Once your project is created, configure the Python interpreter to use the virtual environment you created earlier. Go to View-Other Windows-Python Environments. Select the virtual environment you created and set it as the default interpreter for your project. To ensure that Visual Studio can locate the Python interpreter and associated tools, you need to add the virtual environment's scripts directory to the path variable. Add the path to the scripts directory of your virtual environment. For example, click OK to close the windows and save the changes. Open a new command prompt or PowerShell window and run the following commands to verify that the path variable is configured correctly. This should display the version of Python installed in your virtual environment. This should display the version of pip installed in your virtual environment. You have successfully set up a custom Python environment in Visual Studio and configured the path variable to ensure that the Python interpreter and tools are easily accessible. This configuration is essential for a smooth development experience in Visual Studio with your custom Python environment. ChatGPT.